I'm Mortgage Heroes Andy Cruz here in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Welcome back to a new week. Hard to believe we're already at the end of February. Seems like the first couple weeks of the year have already blasted by, and with that have come a lot of changes and pretty swiftly into the new administration. As we've been talking about, there are going to be a lot of new changes to housing. We're already starting to see some pricing reflection into the market that rates have been on the move and they've been moving up. Now, will that continue? Yes or no? It's unlikely that we're going to have an answer that's super clear in the short term, but in the medium to long term, of course, we're going to have to see rates go back up. As our economy comes back on board and economies keep opening, businesses open, states that are opening, you're going to start seeing people go out and spend money. You're going to hopefully see some jobs come back, but I do know that statistically we have heavy unemployment data we're going to have to face at some point. We have a day of reckoning up ahead. We also have a day of reckoning when it comes to forbearances and future foreclosures. But for right now, what we're seeing is that the bond market is having a reaction to what's going on economically and fiscal policy and government administration policy changes. And right now what that means is that mortgage rates have been going up. And depending on what the situation is, it's been about 0.5% to 1/4%. But for those of you who are watching this and you did not take advantage of the low lows, and I've been telling you for weeks and months now that you always see the lows in the rear view mirror. That rear view mirror is now becoming more and more clear that the lows might have been behind us. Could we dip back into the lowest of the lows historically? Possibly, but I'm going to have to go on record and say it's a little bit less likely as we go day by day. So those of you who are still looking to take advantage of a low rate as far as the refinance is concerned, definitely get started now. I don't want to say this to cause uncertainty. However, I am trying to tell you that of all the variables and all the factors that go into pricing and the bond market and government administration, and we talk about new people coming in positions that are going to make decisions that impact housing and real estate and employment, and there's all these things come together. And right now what we're seeing is that in the short term we have rates that are going up ever so slightly, but we don't want you to miss out. So please let us know if you are in a position where you still need to try to get as close to low as you can, and we will certainly help you do that. Make sure to share this with a friend if they are missing out on Monday Mortgage Minute. And if you have a specific scenario that's outside the bounds of what we just talked about today, please let us know. Send us a DM, shoot us a call or an email, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.